Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney says ongoing conflict in Middle East was failure of international order. Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney today said that the ongoing conflict in the Middle East was a failure of the international order and that the United States had not consulted its allies before striking Iran. US and Israeli forces launched strikes against Iran on Saturday after negotiations over Tehran's nuclear program. The war has since spread beyond Iran's borders, with Iranian attacks hitting Gulf states including Bahrain, the United Arab Emirates and Qatar, as well as US embassies in Saudi Arabia and Kuwait, prompting Washington to close diplomatic missions across the region. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.